Take a seat on your mat and take your feet as wide as they'll go. You can gently guide your legs open using the palms of your hands on the inner thighs. Begin to grow tall through your spine as you ground down through your sit bones. And then slowly begin to walk your hands forward, bringing your toes back towards your body. Work with your breath. Inhale to find space. Exhale to deepen. And if you'd like, take your peace fingers, your first two fingers around your big toes, and hold here. You can gently draw your pelvic floor and navel inward and upward, creating a little more space through the center of the body. This may allow you to move forward with more ease. Allow the weight of your body to settle into the space you created. Noticing where the hips can soften without needing to go further. Feel the breath moving through the inner thighs and along the spine. A gentle expansion on the inhale and a quiet release on the exhale. Let the head feel heavy, allowing the back of the neck to soften as the body folds forward. And stay here for a few breaths. And when you're ready, gently bring your feet back into the center and return to a neutral seat.